Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Today is the final lecture of module number 4, Canva AI tool. In this lecture, we will learn two useful features, AI translation and AI captions. These tools can help us a wider audience and make our video easier to understand. So let's get started. Firstly, we will do part number 1, which is AI translation. Firstly, I will open Canva. Canva translation tool can help us to convert your different content into different languages. That is especially useful if you create content for international audience. So, open a Canva design. I will open this. Okay. And now, now click on apps and search here translate or available translation tool. Let me search translate. Okay. Click on translate. Select the language. I will select English, original, professional. Translate page or select the text from translate. We have not a text translate. Because we have not the single text in our design, firstly let me add text. Okay. We will take a template that has already text added. Like this, okay. Now click on app, translate professional, translate the page. Now wait, it is already translated into English. Now we will change the language and French. Translate. This is French language. French. Like some words are different from this is English, and this is French English. Okay. Now I will change the language to Japanese. Now wait. Now it will translate my image to Japan. Like this. Okay, last language. Spanish. If it is available. Spanish. Translate. Apply the translation and check the results. Always review that translation text because AI translation may have some needed correction, okay? Like this. Now, on the top of the page, you can see which language it is translated. Now, part number 2, which is AI caption, okay? Firstly, let me tell you about AI captions, and then we will start our practical one. Caption automatically converts spoken words into video into text. This is extremely useful for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and educational content. So, I will close this and now open a video, template, landscape, and wait. If you have any audio, then upload it. Upload here audio. I don't think that I have any kind of audio. I will upload. Oh, my previous lectures. I will upload lecture number 1 in audio. Wait, let it load and add here. Okay. Now, it has audio itself. Wait, let me check. I think it has audio. These are unedited lectures. Okay. Oh. Tips. Etc. Frames make your design more clearly. Yes, it is audio. Visually, appear. Now, how to find frames? Okay, so this is how we can add AI caption in this video. Let me do prim video because I just want to explain you. This video is too long. Yes, 2 minutes enough. Okay. Now, click on apps. And no, not apps. Apps. We can also search captions from app, but here's option captions. Okay. Select our style. I will select this. No. This one. Select this. And this. Why it is not generating? Let me text. You cannot extend it bigger, but video is still, my video is uploading, that's why it is not translating. So let it wait to upload my complete video. So finally my video is uploaded completely. You can check it. Now click on apps and search here captions. Now select the available. This is same which I have clicked from that side. Select the suitable. Now our captions are creating obeyed. Canva is very good tool for video editing. If you want Canva Pro, so let me know in my Instagram DMs. I will give you Canva Pro for lifetime just in 2,000 rupees. And you can do your all works in it. After buying Canva, you don't need any CapCut, AI video editing tools, and photo editing tool. Nothing, just in 2,000 and you can get Canva. Okay, DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is already in YouTube bio or z.ha.vibe. Okay. So you can see this how AI captions are added to my videos now. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Today's teacher we are going to learn. Okay. So now review always leave with the mistakes. Because it's AI and AI can do mistakes also. Okay. Real example. For example, if you create a short Canva tutorial for Hawaii, Canva automatically generate captions for viewers that can understanding videos that may watch without sound. Okay, I can also translate my content into another language by reach a wider audience. Common mistakes in both AI translation and AI captions, not changing AI generated translations, not correcting caption mistakes, using caption that are too small, placing caption over important visual, using too many colors and effects. Some pro tips: always translate your captions and always translate in captions and do proofreading. Keep captions simple and easy to read. Clear the font with a good constraint against the background. Now your practice is now translate a short design English to Chinese language and send me an Instagram DM or tag me on stories. If you don't want to send me on DMs, I will reshare it. Now, your task number 2 is upload a short video and generate caption. Then customize the caption with your own font and styles. Okay, like I will select my font, this one. Change all, and it will change all. Okay, so free certificate reminder, If you want to receive Canva free masterclasses certificate, you need to complete all 50 lecture and practice tasks. Like and comment our every video, subscribe is to see how I complete every practical lectures. Share your work on Instagram stories or post. Tag see how I so I can reshare your work. Complete all 60 lectures and practical task to become eligible for free certificate of my Canva masterclasses. And that's a wrap on module number 4 AI tools. Now we have to learn some of Canva most AI useful features. In next module, we're gonna start to creating social media design beginning with Instagram post. So thank you so much for watching. I'm learning with Z Hawaii. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I will see you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. I will surely gonna reply you. Allah Hafiz. Happy designing.